Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Velo3D, ticker symbol VLD. And here I am recording this during market hours on Monday, March 11th. Current price is right around 37.24 cents, being just over 2% so far on the day, but it does look like it might be pulling back, perhaps having formed a top. And yeah, so I just wanted to go over some levels that I drew last night during Sunday night's Ticker Request live stream. Definitely should check those out. And yeah, some of the levels really stood out as, making me think this could be a really nice play, but I do think it might have to pull back first. But yeah, I just want to go over those levels, and some of them actually did pop up today so far during trading. So yeah, I'm just really excited about that, and so I'm just going to throw them up here so we can look at them. And I should note, we are looking at this on the daily time frame. And so here, with these lines marked up, you might notice that I do have this blue line marked here at 32 cents. And the low for the day was 32 cents. So I think that's pretty cool. And that is really just based on, let's see, the open price on February 20th, and then also just having a number of wicks pierce that level. 32 cents, also just being a round number, does seem like it is an important level to, be holding above now that we have finally broken above it. It does look like that was some notable resistance here, so I do think it will be key to hold. But, there's one thing that, might stand out to you in looking at the chart, and that is this downtrending white line. And with that, it does kind of seem to highlight that there is this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and that we potentially did just break out. So I think that looks really, really cool. And I should note too that I did not, lock this line into place. So it is approximate, but really for the head and shoulders, we do just need kind of an approximate neckline. Does seem to coincide with the high that was hit on January 31st, as well as the high that was hit on February 16th. So with that just being like the base of the head, and then this, neckline for the shoulders, we can take a measurement from the base of the head to the neckline to get an idea where price might be going. And maybe that's a spoiler. I already did it during the stream, but I'm just going to do it right here, right now. So coming from the low right around 1895, let's see, right there, coming up to the neckline. Again, this is approximate, but I just don't want to overestimate it. So that's about a 14-cent move, which represents about a 75% move from the bottom here up to that neckline. And so from the break of that neckline, if price were to go up from there, that would be, again, a 14-cent move, and that represents about a 46% move to the upside from that neckline, going up to a price of right around 45 cents. And so with current price, that does still represent some upside. So let's see, from right around 36.39, right around there, up to 45 cents, let's see, right around here, that represents a more than 20% move to the upside. So I do think there is a lot of potential for this to be going higher. But because it did break out of the neckline, and it does seem like it could be showing some weakness, I do think that there could be a pullback in store to test the neckline before it does move higher, like up to 45 cents, or perhaps to fill this gap up here at 60 cents. So I do think, there are a number of things that are suggesting that this could be going higher, whether that's to 45 cents or to 60 cents. We do see, this inverse head and shoulders pattern. The measurement would suggest a move to around 45 cents. It does look like it has broken out above this downtrend, which has been resistance going back to, the beginning of the year. And then it does look like we might be pulling back, or perhaps already have pulled back to test that neckline, and then there is this gap to the upside. So just a number of things suggesting that it could be going higher. Also, from what I understand, this company has secured contract with the Navy. I believe they work with Rocket Lab. They do metal 3D printing, so a pretty cool company. And yeah, a lot of applications in industry So I do think that it is really, set up to go higher. I am compelled by it, but I do think that it could be pulling back to test the neckline, which would be coming back down to a price of right around 30 to 31 cents. Maybe though the low of the day, 32 cents, is really a test of that. So maybe it won't be coming down to 31 cents. And so what I would look for is a close higher than Friday's high. So on March 8th, the high of that day was 36.8 cents. So hopefully we close above 36.8 cents today on Monday, March 11th. But if we can't, I do think that we will be returning to right around 31 cents. But I think that could be a great, great dip buying opportunity for a swing up to 45 cents, if not 60 cents. So yeah, I just think this chart looks really beautiful. And I have found that when I do identify inverse head and shoulders patterns like this, it does perhaps take some time for the move to play out. But if you look at Equestive, ticker symbol AQST, I made a video on that when a head and shoulders, an inverse head and shoulders pattern was playing out. And I suggested a buy at $2.50 and a swing up to $4. And it's actually gone past $5 a share. But it took 2 months for that to play out. So with this, I do feel like it could be pulling back, and I think it's good to exercise patience for an at least 20% swing. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. I hope you guys are too. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and thank you for the request.